O Muhammad, about the spoils of war. Say, the spoils are for Allah and the Messenger. So fear Allah and amend that which is between you and obey Allah and His Messenger, if you should be believers. The believers are only those who, when Allah is mentioned, their hearts become fearful, and when His verses are recited to them, it increases them in faith, and upon their Lord they rely. The ones who establish prayer, and from what we have provided them, they spend. It is they who are truly believers. For them are degrees of honor, with their Lord and forgiveness, and a noble provision. Just as your Lord brought you out from your home in truth, while indeed a party among the believers were unwilling, arguing with you concerning the truth after it had become clear, as if they were being driven toward death while they were looking on. Remember when Allah promised you one of the two groups would be yours, and you wished that the unarmed one would be yours. But Allah intended to establish the truth by His words and to eliminate the disbelievers, that He should establish the truth and abolish falsehood, even if the criminals disliked it. Remember when you asked help of your Lord, and He answered you, "Indeed, I will reinforce you with 1,000 from the angels," following one another. And Allah made it not but good tidings, and so that your hearts would be assured thereby. And victory is not but from Allah. Indeed, Allah is exalted in might and wise.